Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today we are going to review the best TVS scooter of 125cc segment, which is a racing scooter, which is TVS Ntorq 125 BS6 compliant 2020 model. Yes, you are right. This is a BS6 2020 model, as you can see on your screen. The badging of Ntorq 125 is given on it at the side. The badging colors which are put in it, on the yellow color, there are the badging from the red. This looks pretty good. The instrument cluster is very good, and as you can see, there is Ntorq written below the instrument cluster. The instrument cluster also says hello rider, and you can connect your phone through it. This is the all new LED DRL on this scooter, as you can see. This is the black visor on the face of the scooty, as you can see on the front. There is a badging of a Smart X Connect, as you can see. The side profile of the scooter looks very good when you see from the downside. This is the futuristic design of this scooter. The badging of 125cc is also given on the side fenders of the scooter, as you can see on your screen. The new graphics are provided to this, as you can see how good the badging of 125 look. This looks a racing scooter. And there is the halogen bulb, not the LED lights are provided for the headlamp. You also get the switch for on and off of the light. This is the side look of the scooty, as you can see from the rear side, which is the right hand side. This is an BS6 scooter, as you can see the badging. This is a BS6 Ntorq 125, and this was manufactured on 27 February 2020. This is the engine of the scooter, as you can see. Now it gets kick at the behind, because at the BS4 model it was put it on the front side. This scooter gives more mileage than before, because it also gets fuel injection system. As you can see on your screen, there will be the CC. It will be shown in 2 seconds. 1, 2 and C. As you can see, there is a perfect fitment of the fuel injection, and this scooter doesn't get any power drop or any CC drop in its segment while coming up to BS6 norms. This is the best thing about this scooter. You get front disc brake and rear drum brake. This is the OBD, from which you can check the instrument, which is the FI. Is it the scooter in the perfect condition or not? You get a fuel light, engine light, and the new grips are provided in it. The bar end is colored in silvered, as you can see. The grips also look too much sporty. See how the side look of this yellow color looks very amazing on the Ntorq 125, and the combination with grey also and black. The front DRL looks very great in this vehicle, as you can see. This is provided to us. See, it looks like a Chevrolet logo. It reminds us of the Chevrolet logo, as you can see, but it is somewhere curved. These are the indicators of the front. These are the yellow halogen indicators, which see the brightness of the indicators. As you can see, I have shown you both the left and right indicators. As you can see, this is the back LED light of the scooter. As you can see, there is indicator which is all integrated yellow halogen indicators. see the brightness of the indicator. As you can see on your screen, these are much brighter than before of the BS4. The mudguard is also changed. The LED tail lamp looks like a Avengers movie logo, as you can see on your screen. This is the TVS badging on the front. The nose gets the black touch at the front, as you can see, which provides a very pretty look to the scooter. There is a brake lock, as you can see. This brake lock is very sufficient for children because those who touch your scooter all the time. The carbon fiber finish on the instrument handle, as you can see. The light switch is also provided, engine kill switch. This is the speedometer of the vehicle, which is also known as the FI. You can also connect your phone from it. There is so much space to keep your legs. As your height is 6 feet, you can easily fit in this scooter. There is a hook on the front, as you can see on your screen. You get a 5-speed multifunctional lock system, which is provided in this scooter. This is the badging and the side fender of the scooter. As you can see, there are too many red inserts on this scooter. The stitching of seat is also by red, as you can see on your screen. You can fill the fuel from the outside as before. The seat is more comfortable than before because it is very comfortable than before. It gets more cushioning. The outside fuel filler camp, as you can see, it also gets the branding of Ntorq, as you can see. These are the footrests for the rear passenger. As you can see, this is also have a sporty look and cuts in it to look much sportier and aggressive. This is the side look of the scooter. As you can see, the alloy wheels design is looking so awesome. The front disc brake is there, and the engine gets the kick start and self start both. The TVS badging on the engine, as you can see, it gets a side stand and a main stand. This scooter will not start at the side stand. This is the boot space or the underseat storage. You can see there is a light for the underseat storage. As you can see, there is a LED light for it. The front alloy wheel with the disc brake looks very awesome and more sportier than before. See, as you can see on your screen, it also gets the telescopic suspension as the BS4 model. So I think this is all about the Ntorq 125 BS6, and if you like it and if you are planning to buy a 125cc most comfortable scooter that is and looks futuristic, that is Ntorq 125, this will be a great choice. And if you like my video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if any query along this scooter, you can comment me in the comment section. I will be there to respond your comments. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Tata.